Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Ring Protect Plus in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process with Ring Protect Plus, ensure you have your Ring account details ready. Log into your Ring account using the Ring app or website. Navigate to the Protect Plan section from your account dashboard. Select Manage Your Plan to view your subscription details. Locate the withdrawal option within the Plan Management section. Click on Withdraw to initiate the process. Read through the withdrawal policy and requirements carefully. Confirm that you understand the implications of withdrawing from the plan. Proceed by selecting your preferred withdrawal method. Enter the necessary details for your chosen withdrawal method. Review your withdrawal information to ensure everything is correct. Submit your withdrawal request once you are satisfied with the details. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal. Wait for the processing period, which may take a few days. Check your email for updates on the status of your withdrawal. If you do not see your funds after the processing period, contact Ring customer support for assistance. Keep track of any communication from Ring regarding your withdrawal request. Follow any additional instructions provided by customer support if needed. Once the withdrawal is successfully completed, you will receive a final confirmation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.